How many times must I tell you? Calm with thyself immediately. No one doth need know.
I know thy quarrel with my cooking.
The cooking always ends in calamity. Why not have thy fair maiden cook the bird?
You know I cannot court a lady. Be that as it may, there hath no need for witchcraft.
We mustn't falter on this. Time is short, and the day of the feast draws near. We must have something to show.
Aye, but no witch will conjure up such a dish in the name of good thanks. She will never oblige.
I've orchestrated a plan to allow us to obtain the dish, while shrouding our true intentions from the wench.
Make no mistake, if the ruse is discovered, it's to the gallows. I can still cook thy turkey.
I would prefer consuming dirt.
And you would rather dabble in this unholy magic?
Such is the price of one's reputation.
I guess the Beldam's not home. Perhaps we should...
What do you want?
Dearest maiden, we require your assistance in the dark arts.
I do not speak with Spillberry pigs such as yourselves.
'Tis a shame.
Did you say dark arts?
Welcome to my humble abode. All of my practices originate from this here parchment. I only ask of thee 2 things.
What must we do?
Crisford, you must offer me your firstborn child as a blood sacrifice.
But I hath no maid to...
The blood sacrifice will be sufficient.
Perfect. And Evansworth, you must promise to find me a date.
I beg your pardon.
What do you need my services for?
I ask that you use your knowledge of the
Dark arts!
Excuse my ignorance. I did not know there was a difference.
What do you need my services for?
I simply ask. Oh.
Apologies. It's just a simple illness. As we were saying.
I ask only that you.
Wait! I forgot something in the oven. You request that I use the power of the Elder Ones to cook?
Yes, that's correct. But only for the most dastardly purposes. No good deeds here.
Fine. I will cook your bird. But you must leave, because no mere mortal can withstand the power that the elders invoke in my next ritual. Now heed my words. Be gone.
We hath wasted our time.
On the contrary, Crisford, we will be most popular at the feast.
Good evening, gentlemen. Have you heard or seen anything unorthodox occurring on this property?
Good evening, Marshal. Nothing out of the ordinary here, I'm afraid.
See, I've heard word of vile deeds and witchcraft being committed at this residence. It's interesting that you're out here so late. This area is rather remote.
Well, you know, I fancy some fresh air, sir. Well, I see that you're busy. We shouldn't be going right now. Come along, Evanworth.
Something delicious is brewing. I can taste it in the air.
Now, Marshal, to my knowledge, no one lives here. We're just chasing loose ends. There's no need to go inside.
If nobody lives here, then why worry, yes? This is the Marshal of Plymouth! By the King's command, you must open the door! What are you doing in there? Open the door! What are you doing in that?
I assure you, it's simply for Thanksgiving.
You used a witch to conjure up a turkey for Thanksgiving? You will be hanged. You will be hanged for this. You cannot use witchcraft.
Did you say Thanksgiving?